Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and honestly, I feel like I struck gold when I found this. This thing is amazing. It's like seriously one of the best toothbrushes I've ever owned. It's supposed to be comparable to the Philips. I actually own the Philips, but it's the one that's like $300, and this thing is like seriously on par with that one, but like you're gonna be blown away. It's like $22. I will put the link to the seller that I bought it from. I actually bought it off Amazon, but I will put the link down below so that you can purchase your own, because like this is such a good price for the quality that you are receiving when buying this. It comes in a box, really well packaged. You can tell I already took it out. It comes with 3 heads, 3 toothbrush heads. Here's another one. I have one on. And I've been using it too. Of course, I wanted to use it before I actually reviewed it, just to show you guys how it works. So here's another toothbrush head. So it comes with 3 total. And it also comes with a charger to be able to charge it. Sorry, I'm opening this. It actually already came charged, so I didn't have to charge it. So what you do is you plug it down here to charge it. Let me go ahead and put it on my charger. You do need a brick to charge it, but most of us have bricks that we charge our phones with, and you can see, wait, hold on. It is charging. So to keep blinking red because it's not fully charged yet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. It has a whole bunch of different settings. Just the regular blue, like so, is for whitening your teeth. Then you can press it again, and if it's just like blue, that's just to clean your teeth. I mean, did I say blue? Green. I mean green. If it's just green, it's to clean your teeth. This is for sensitive teeth when it's just all red. And if it's blinking blue, that's to polish your teeth. And just blinking green is to massage. So it has a whole bunch of different settings. I usually do just the whitening because I like my teeth to be really white. And then you can turn it off as well. This thing is such great quality, and you can buy the heads like when you run out. It's just like the ones that kind of slip on. But the quality of this is seriously outstanding for the price. I am still like blown away. I am going to be purchasing one for everyone in my house just because it is that great. Like, I am so happy that I bought this. This thing is amazing. So this is actually some of the claims that it has on the sides. It says dramatic cleaning by sonic technology, 5 brushing effect modes, smart mode memory. It's got 40,000 strokes per minute. What? Smart timer, and it's IPX7 waterproof. So it's actually waterproof too, which is also awesome considering, I mean, you use it around water. I would hope that it would be waterproof. And it's rechargeable and long-lasting power. And I've been using it for about 4 days now, and it came charged, and I haven't had to charge it yet. So I think that is so awesome. So it does hold charge for a long time. So yeah, I am like beyond happy with the purchase. Like I've said like probably a million times already, but it's true. Like this is a great buy. And it also comes in white or black. I actually got the black one, but they do actually have a white option too, which is also amazing. Just, you know, they have different color options. I can honestly not recommend this any higher. Like, it is just amazing, especially when you see the price of it. It's like, how is this that much? Like, what? And then the fact that it comes with 3 brush heads, like honestly, like a toothbrush, a decent toothbrush is like $8 or $9 at the store. This comes with 3 brush heads. Plus it's like automatic. Like, I don't know, like whenever I use these kind of toothbrushes to brush my teeth, I just feel like they get a lot more cleaner than using your standard toothbrush. I just feel like they get in between the teeth more. And it also has, it's like time. So it has like a timer on it. So like when you're brushing one side, you brush like half of your side of your teeth, and then you brush this way, and then it'll pause. And it means to switch sides. So then you will do this side, and then once it pauses, then you switch. So it does it 4 times to let you know that you brushed that area good enough. So I usually start on this side, then I work my way this way, and then I go up. So I finish over here. So the fact that you're getting to brush your teeth the amount of time that you're actually supposed to is also another thing that I really, really like 30 seconds per side, I think it is. So that's amazing. I am so happy that I purchased this, and like I said, I will be putting the link to where I bought it off Amazon in the description box down below. And yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.